everyone, we are the Master Blasters and we are here to present the solution to a massive yet often overlooked global problem, agricultural waste burning.
Problem summary: agricultural waste causing pollution. Our problem begins every harvest season. Farmers trying to clear their fields quickly for the next crop resort to the cheapest and fastest method: burning their agricultural waste or nest, chaff from wheat, rice, and corn. This open burning is causing pollution to the atmosphere. It releases huge amounts of smoke, carbon dioxide, and particulate matter into the air. This isn't just a local issue, it's a major contributor to severe air pollution, widespread health problems, and significant environmental damage. The truth is, the chaff is a waste resource. It can actually be converted into useful fuel, but farmers today simplify lack the affordable and accessible technology to do so.
Goal and benefits. Our goal is to turn this crisis into an opportunity. The Smart Chaff solution delivers on multiple fronts. Reduce air pollution. By stopping the burning of chaff, we eliminate a major source of smoke and respiratory diseases. Provide affordable energy for rural and underdeveloped areas that rely on expensive for non-renewable resources like wood or charcoal. We offer clean, affordable and alternative waste to wealth. We are transforming a polluting waste product into a valuable resource, capturing what is currently being destroyed. Promote circular economy. Instead of relying on the linear extractive model of traditional fuels like coal and fossil fuels, establish sustainable agriculture. The system even promotes healthier soil, which can counter the soil deprivation and chemical heavy fertilizers.
To truly grasp the impact, let's look at the key issues we are tackling. Air pollution and health hazards. Crop residue burning releases toxic gases, drastically reduces air quality, and causes serious respiratory illness in nearby communities. Climate impact. This burning increases greenhouse gas emissions, significantly contributing to global warming by releasing carbon dioxide and methane. Wasted resources. Valuable organic material is destroyed instead of being reused, representing a profound waste of potential energy.
Solution: the smart brick makers. Our solution is the smart brick makers, a low-cost, teach-enabled system designed to convert agriculture waste into clear burning fuel bricks. What makes it smart? We use sensors and microcontrollers like ESP32 along with automated motors to make its entire process efficiently, safe and user-friendly. Here's how it works. Chaff is collected and mixed with a natural binders, things like starch, papers, pulp. Our moisture and temperature sensor then monitors the mixture, ensure it's at the perfect condition. Once optimized, the motorized compress machine ensuring it at the perfect condition. Automated pressure the mixture into a solid bricks.
Continuation cycle. This device is truly designed for the rural environment. Users get a real-time data monitor for speech, temperature or status on an LCD display on a mobile app, being or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This let them know exactly when to press or collect the briquette. Critically, the device can be powered by a battery or solar energy, making it perfectly sustainable for a rural off-grid areas. This outcome is win-win-win. The briquettes burn cleanly with a minimal smoke, providing an affordable renewable energy source. But the cycle doesn't stop there. The ash residue from the burning can be reduced as organic fertilizers, pest repellent, or even eco-friendly construction materials. This creates a full waste energy to soil cycle. Overall, the smart briquette maker is a practical, eco-friendly way to reduce crop burning, provide fuel alternatives, and promote sustainable living through the smart use of technology.